So we're doing carpet. It's for a repeat client. She's a realtor. So we're doing some carpets. Yeah, they had a dog. It's full of hair. We got a vacuum cleaner here. The upstairs is not too bad actually. Yeah, that's it. Had to empty it like 8 times. So much hair. Responsible dumping. Oh, we're also doing this shower, so I'm just gonna use this to remove the water deposits, make it nice and clean. Carpet looks great. Try the stain if it's gonna come out. It should. Easy peasy. Voila. Carpet is done. Looks pretty good. All the stains are gone. Stairs look good. You get a shadowing from the railing. But it looks really good. And when it dries, it's gonna look so much better. And I'm just gonna seal the shower. So I'm just sealing it with a enhancer.